Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll explore a key concept that is fundamental to our understanding of Introduction to Chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that focuses on understanding the composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter. It plays a crucial role in every aspect of our lives, from the products we use daily to the environment we live in. The role of chemistry in our lives. 1. Petrochemical products. Think about the various products derived from petroleum, such as gasoline, plastics, and synthetic materials. Chemists are responsible for developing and improving these products. 2. Medicines and drugs. Chemistry is instrumental in the pharmaceutical industry. It helps in the creation of life-saving drugs and medications that improve our health and well-being. 3. Soap, detergents, and more. Everyday items like soap, detergents, paper, and paints are all products of chemical research and innovation. 4. Environmental impact. The development of the chemical industry has led to environmental challenges, including toxic waste, contaminated water, and air pollution. However, chemistry also provides the knowledge and techniques needed to mitigate these issues and protect our environment. Branches of chemistry. Chemistry is a vast field, and it is divided into several main branches, each with its own focus and applications. 1. Physical chemistry. Definition. Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the relationship between the composition and physical properties of matter, as well as the changes that occur in them. Areas of study. Physical chemistry explores topics such as the structure of atoms, the formation of molecules, the behavior of gases, liquids, and solids, and the effects of temperature and radiation on matter. 2. Organic chemistry. Definition. Organic chemistry is the study of covalent compounds of carbon and hydrogen, hydrocarbons, and their derivatives. Areas of study. Organic chemists investigate the structure and properties of both naturally occurring and synthesized organic compounds. This branch has wide-ranging applications in industries like petroleum, petrochemicals, and pharmaceuticals. 3. Inorganic chemistry. Definition. Inorganic chemistry focuses on the study of all elements and their compounds except those involving carbon and hydrogen, hydrocarbons, and their derivatives. Applications. Inorganic chemistry plays a crucial role in various industries, including glass manufacturing, cement production, ceramics, and metallurgy, extraction of metals from ores. 4. Biochemistry. Definition. Biochemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies the structure, composition, and chemical reactions of substances found in living organisms. Areas of study. Biochemists delve into processes within living organisms, such as the synthesis and metabolism of biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This branch has applications in medicine, food science, agriculture, and more. 5. Industrial chemistry. Definition. Industrial chemistry focuses on the manufacturing of chemical compounds on a commercial scale. Applications. It plays a vital role in producing essential chemicals like oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, and more, which serve as raw materials for various industries, including fertilizers, textiles, and paints. 6. Nuclear chemistry. Definition. Nuclear chemistry deals with radioactivity, nuclear processes, and properties. Applications. This branch is concerned with atomic energy and its uses, including radiotherapy in medicine, food preservation, and the generation of electrical power through nuclear reactors. 7. Environmental chemistry. Definition. Environmental chemistry studies the components of the environment and the effects of human activities on it. Applications. Knowledge of chemical processes in the environment is essential for improving and protecting it against pollution. It overlaps with biology, geology, ecology, and other fields. 8. Analytical chemistry. Definition. Analytical chemistry is the branch that focuses on separating and analyzing samples to identify their components. Areas of study. It involves qualitative analysis, which identifies substances, and quantitative analysis, which determines the amounts of each component present. His branch is essential in fields like food, water, environmental, and clinical analysis. In summary, chemistry is a diverse and vital science that impacts nearly every aspect of our lives. It provides us with the understanding and tools to innovate, improve our health, protect the environment, and advance various industries. Each branch of chemistry has its own unique focus and contributions to society. Thank you, class, for your attentive engagement and active participation during our lesson today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content.